Okay, doing a water heater install. Got a frozen. It's hot over there. Got a frozen shut off. What's going on here? Okay, what's going on here? Absolutely nothing. Usually, I probably have some at home. I just don't have any with me.
Okay, I'll take care of that.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. I just thought maybe if you had something sitting around.
The door would come. We'll go fly over it.
I don't know. It's probably gonna run into it a little bit.
But that's okay though, right?
It should be okay as long as it doesn't mess with the knob.
Okay.
You could always, if you want, I've seen people do this where they just cut a little square out. Okay, but that can get wet.
Okay.
That can get wet. You wouldn't want a ton of water getting in there. You really don't want the water getting in here too much. But there's nothing you can do on a hard enough rainstorm. Okay. It should drain out and be fine. Okay, cool. These are pretty resilient water heaters. These breathe and drain better than the one that you had before. Okay. In fact, there's a little hole on the bottom of the pan. Right there, you can kind of see it down there. Yeah. This hole. Yeah. So they kind of have these things set up. But yeah, that just needs a... It's on right now? No, not yet. I'm gonna put a little extension pipe off of this. Everything's connected. Everything's sealed up. I replaced the supply lines because the other ones, which I left there, they kink and they bend and they just wouldn't quite reach. Okay. And these are really good. These you can't kink these. Okay. You can push them and do whatever you want. I'll look for that bolt right now. Yeah, if you got like just a nut, any kind of nut and a bolt, I'll throw it on there. Okay, let me look. Cool, thanks, man. Yeah, those were the two things, was the door and the... Okay, yeah, no worries. Yeah, right on. Alright, another ugly soldering job, but we don't really care. It's a temperature pressure relief line. Water heater's in, it's on. Appreciate you watching this video. This is kind of the follow-up to the service call. And we will see you on the next one. Consider subscribing to the channel. Sorry, it's focused on this right now. Want to burn my hand? I got this nasty burn right here. Leaning on a pipe. Anyway, thank you for watching. Consider subscribing. Got this second strap on here. We're good. Water heater's on. And have a great day. Okay, camera died, but the water heater is in. No existing straps, just reconnected everything. It's in, it's on, it's running. So this will be a very quick installation. Cover doesn't fit. Thank you for that, Dave.